We're here at SLA Equipment in Antioch, Tennessee, outside Nashville. Our phone number is 615-641-7720. Today, we are excited to show you the new Husqvarna Xcite line. This mower is going to be the Xcite 350, and we're going to take a quick look at it. Has up front your LED light bar. Here we have the removable floor panel that goes to your maintenance points, and behind here we do have your battery. This does have a foot pedal parking brake. Has your 54-inch cutting deck with the DuraSharp blades, as well as your washout port right here. This does have maintenance-free cast iron spindles. Up here, we do have your cutting height selector. It's going to be a little different than what you're used to. So you just use this dial here, and you're going to select your cutting heights, which is going to be between 1.5 inches and 4.5 inches. Here we have your cup holder. Back here, we do have the SmoothRide suspension system. So this independently adjusts your shocks with 10 ride options, and it has 4-bar link suspension. Here we have your rear bumper. So this has a accessory rack, as well as your 24 horsepower Kohler 7000 series engine. This mower does have hydrostatic Tuff Torq transmissions. It does have a 4-gallon fuel tank. Here we have your LED control panel. So here you have your ignition, start stop, headlights. Has your throttle here. Kind of tells you all your controls. And your control panel does also have pre-programmed service intervals in it. Now this does have the industry first on-stick controls. So you see here, and we have your start stop on the left. Has your chute. That is going to be a plastic chute. Once again, this is the Husqvarna Xcite 350. If you're interested in this mower, give us a call at 615-641-7720. Not only do we have these great mowers in stock, but we also have trailers and handhelds and can make you a great package deal.